So it's been a minute. We haven't been in the garage in a while. I've been busy with work, yada yada, excuses. Today we're back though. We're gonna unwrap with the sweet Amazon. We'll get back to that later. I'll put in a link in the description. But the cheap plastic covers are great for storing your car in the garage. Regardless of how clean your place is, it's nice just to keep the dust and dirt off it. So we're gonna get this pulled apart. We're gonna open the door. We're gonna show you about what we're doing. So you're probably wondering, why would I even swap to something like a race bucket? Well, it's not for steez, though it is a little bit. The stock seats are just so loosey-goosey. You think they're buckets, but then you get in and start going through corners and you realize as you load, the car is all of a sudden getting looser beneath you. Oh, happy puppy day to you. And what we need to do to combat that is this larger bucket that's a little more form-fitting and can help us stay seated in the car so we can direct our inputs for things like steering or not holding on so we're sliding off. You want your hands to worry about the job of shifting, job of turning. Yes, I love you. Can I do my job? I love you. Yes, I love you. It's National Puppy Day. Don't lick my steering wheel. Okay. Let's go. It's not what you want when you're in a race environment. You want to be stuck in the seat and be able to concentrate on turning instead of, oh, hey, doggy. What? Okay. Yes, I love you. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's get out of the car. So, come on, buddy. Let's go. You might be wondering, why would I even want race seats in my car? It doesn't, like, I got these sweet buckets from the factory. They're form-fitting. What, Scott, why do you want to spend another $600, $700, $800, sometimes $3,000 on buckets? Why would you do that, Kona? It's also we can focus on the job at hand, which is steering, not keeping ourselves planted in our seat with our arms trying to hunker down, whether you're holding on to your puppy or trying to press up against your center console in your door to lock in while you turn. Your job should be turning, not holding yourself down. So on this National Puppy Day, it's about security and safety. So what we're gonna do is throw a race seat in. You can see we have one of our OMP WRC seats here, set down with the DC mount brackets to the car, which allow for a harness style, clip-in harness style versus a wrap harness. And it gives you the submarine and the lat mounts, or the, waist mount. Then we're gonna update our roll cage from Studio RSR with a new DC designed harness bar, which will allow you to run the clip-in harness. And then we'll get the pride, I guess my pride and joy, besides my puppy, we'll get my Halo seat put in the car, my OMP HTER Halo seat, which I'm very excited for. And ultimately it's gonna just make this car true race car. The question begs itself, why do I even want a race seat in my car? It's not just for looks, Scott, you're an idiot. These stock seats are bolstered to the 9. Of course, Kona here knows you can't just jump in a stock leather seat and expect to be clamped into place. With a race bucket, you are so hard to work with. You are so hard to work with. Okay, my love bug. Let's go. I'll go play with you. We'll take a break from YouTube. Come on, I'll go play. Let's go play. Let's go. I know. Okay, come on.